We're following breaking news in Southern California. A fast-moving fire breaking out earlier today. In just a matter of hours, the Hughes fire just north of L.A. has grown to more than 9,000 acres. It is 0% contained. That fire has prompted mandatory evacuations for more than 30,000 residents. Another 20,000 have been told to stand by to leave their homes. Despite its rapidly growing size, officials say this fire is different from the devastating Eaton and Palisades fires.
We were able to amass a lot of fire resources early on to change what this fire looks like, but also the ability to fight the fire from the air. The winds were strong, but they were not those 70, 80, 90 mile an hour winds that we experienced on Tuesday the 7th.
Fire crews are also preparing for rain forecasted this weekend, and that could cause mudslides and flooding in burned areas.